And Aaron's in the letter D. You're not in an O, you're in the letter D. In read. No, the E's over there. No, that's E, that's D, and that's A. I know. But still. Look, the checkout is magic. Look what you have to do. You just scan your card. You type in your PIN number. I'm not going to show you. And look, you set down your book. And then it checks out. How cool is that? I am next to a Stegosaurus. We're going to the Dinosaur National Monument. And there's Dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Dinosaur. Yes, that's totally how to say dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Warning, firearms prohibited. Why would you want to bring a firearm in here exactly? Yeah, I'm not going to move that anymore. That's really annoying. And the bridge behind me used to be a train car. Deal with it. Enjoy this time lapse of us driving to the next stop. Okay, so discovery of dinosaur fossils here, 1909. Vermont people live here 1,000 years ago. Most recent ice age worldwide, 16,000 years ago. Earliest evidence of bighorn sheep in Utah, 50,000 years ago. You walk a bit. Earliest human ancestors, 4 million. Bit farther, Green and Yampa rivers, 5 million. And then you have to jog all the way. Okay, you don't have to jog, but it's a bit of a walk to the next one. Rocky Mountains rise up 45 to 65 million years ago. And then we jog to the next one. All dinosaurs go extinct 65 million years ago. Shallow seas cover Utah 95 million years ago. And then there's this really, really long jog all the way. Woo, all the way up here. Flowering plants evolved 140 million years ago. And then short walk. Sauropod dinosaurs dominate Morrison environment 145 million years ago. And man, that was tiring. And what did I come all the way up here for? Look at all the fossils. I mean, look at all these. It's like, this is the most fossils I've seen in one place in all my life. And look at that. That's just like so many. Now I'm just walking, taking one continuous shot of all these fossils. Just to prove that there's a lot of fossils. Yeah. It's a lot of fossils. I think you get the point. Yep. This is a fossil that's just about as long as I am tall. It comes about from my knees to just above my head. Big fossil. And here's a dinosaur skull. Look at that. And then there's all this. Look at that. That's a lot. Hi, Mom. Oh, look. And this is an Allosaurus. And then there's that. Yeah, some toe bones are missing. And then there's right forearm cast. And then the skull. And then there's this. Woo! That's a young, whatever that is. Yeah, what you heard him just say. Yep. Another really big fossil. Look. There's Dakota.
It's a rock.
And all the way down there, next to Dakota's knee, is the end of it.
Seriously.
Still a really big fossil.
This is a thigh bone. It's an adult right thigh bone.
Wow, it's very big. Okay, Aaron, we have to look for the dot. Oh wait, we have to make sure it shows the dots. Where are the dots, Aaron? Do you see a dot? You have to keep looking for a dot. Do you see a dot? Is that a dot, Aaron? What'd you find, Aaron? You found a tail. It's the tail of a Diplodocus.
Yeah, I found a bone. Yeah.
It's the tail of a Diplodocus. See? There it is. And then the bone slowly moves into place. And you have very messy hair, Missy Miss. Look at all the bones. Look, the bones are magically appearing. Magic.
Another bone.
And that's what we think it could have looked like. Cool, huh, Aaron? I think it's time to go back to the car. And now we walk back to the car. Yeah, I had my face too close to the microphone for like this entire thing, so all you can hear for half the time is like